Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset Jabra Elite 7 earbuds. To do this, we'll need to place both of the earbuds inside the case. Then take a look at the LED lamp right there and right here, and we'll need to click and hold the buttons on both of the earbuds inside the case for 10 seconds until the LED lamp starts flashing in magenta color. So right here, when it's done, we'll need to close the case for 5 seconds. Now you can remove the earbuds from the case and they should be restored to all default settings. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.